Buc-ee's is a Texas-based chain of travel centers known for their extensive amenities and clean facilities. The popular franchise opened a location in Melissa, Texas on April 29, 2019. This store is located off US Highway 75. Operating hours are typically 24 hours a day, providing round-the-clock service to customers. The Melissa Buc-ee's offers a wide range of services and products, including numerous fueling positions, a vast selection of snacks and beverages, and a variety of travel essentials. The store is also known for its clean restrooms and friendly staff. For travelers passing through Melissa, the Buc-ee's location serves as a convenient stop to refuel, refresh, and shop. Each of the Buc-ee's travel centers are famous for its unique offerings, massive size, and dedication to providing a top-tier customer experience. The franchise was founded in 1982 by Beaver Aplin III and Don Wasek in Lake Jackson, Texas. Buc-ee's has numerous locations across the state of Texas, each strategically positioned along major highways to cater to travelers. In addition to standard amenities, Buc-ee's locations often feature unique offerings such as freshly prepared food items, a bakery, and a gift shop with regional souvenirs and branded merchandise. Buc-ee's locations often feature 50 to 100 fueling stations, making them a convenient stop for road travelers. Buc-ee's locations are known for their large layouts, with some stores covering tens of thousands of square feet. The new Brownfield store, at over 66,000 square feet, is the largest convenience store in the world. Buc-ee's caters exclusively to car travelers, with no parking or services for semi-trucks, ensuring a less congested experience. Buc-ee's prides itself on providing customers with freshly prepared food, including barbecue brisket sandwiches, kolaches, and fudge. Snacks like Beaver nuggets, sweet corn puff snacks, and jerky, a bakery with fresh cookies, pastries and bread, and Texas-themed souvenirs, clothing, and home decor. Buc-ee's has become a cultural icon in Texas, symbolizing the state's love for road trips and big, bold ideas. The chain is a favorite among both locals and visitors, often touted as a must-visit Texas experience. Buc-ee's has expanded outside Texas, with locations in states like Alabama, Florida, and Tennessee. However, its Texas roots remain a significant part of its identity.